Hello again, this is my entry into Tequila Dave's 50 subscriber giveaway. He got himself 50 subscribers. He never thought he was going to have a channel or do any picking and all that jazz. Great guy. He's on UK Lock Sport, and I'm going to pick this lock. This an approved insurance Willen secure 5-lever giveaway. Yeah, it's a giveaway, guys. There you go. Lock it back up again. That's locked. Now then, what I've done is I've attached a bell to that, so you know I'm not going to be messing about with that. And there's the pick and tension tool. Hang on a second. There's the blanket. Now then, there we go. That's the this is the hard part, I think. See, now then, where are we? Getting this in here. All right, is that it? I think that's it. That's it. Right, well, I think we're in. Said the vicar to the actress. Right, okay. I've no idea what numbers I'm on. I don't know where I am in the lock. Well, that should be number 1. I think that's number 5, but I can't feel it. Back to them. Oh, I've dropped it now. Number 1, 2, 3. It doesn't feel like 4. It's not an easy, well, you have to go up and down it a few times, and if you're going up and down it, and not looking at it, start again. I'm on 1 there, I think. Oh yeah, I was going to think I'm upside down, but I don't think I am. I think I got it right. It doesn't feel normal. Take a bit of tension off, I think. I've been over tensioning it. Not that you can over tension it. You can whack as much tension on as you like, actually. It's this last one. Normally when you go up and down it, every time you twitch it, you can feel a little bit of movement. I haven't felt a bit of movement yet. And that, oh, hold on, I did then. First bit of movement. There we go. And there it is. Congratulations on your 50 subscribers, and you're going to call it at 100, I believe. So there it is. Thank you very much indeed. Jolly good luck to you, Tequila Dave. Well done.